16 साल से कम उम्र के जो बच्चे हैं उन्हें हमें ऑनलाइन और सोशल मीडिया की जो गेमिंग है और वो दुनिया है उससे बहुत दूर रखना है।
At our school, we place strong emphasis on outdoor learning as a core part of education. We believe that true education is not confined within four walls, but flourishes in the lap of nature and on open playgrounds. Here, children learn life's most valuable lessons by living close to nature and develop essential skills through play, exploration, and real-life experience. Guided by the principles of the Pancha Tattva and immersive outdoor learning, we provide a natural habitat where children grow with nature and evolve into confident learners prepared for global success. Because when children reconnect with nature, they reconnect with themselves.
A school that does not school